Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kamusta po ang lahat? Gumagawa po tayo ng chapati or paratha. Pag dry, chapati. Pag oily, that is paratha. May kwento pala ako sa inyo. It's a different culture or concept kasi in the Islamic School of Studies, hiwalay pala ang boys and girls. They will be separated in the 4th grade. Pero sa Pinas, iba yung concept natin eh. Pagka exclusive girls and boys, diba? Wow! Upper class, middle class, mga rich, mga oligarchs, mga wealthy people, businessmen, families, like that. Pero sa Islamic School Studies, hiwalay ang girls and boys, pati yung building nila hiwalay. So I told my little boy, if you see a girl and she's fighting with you, don't fight with her, okay? You just run away. Sabi niya, no, there's no little girl in my class or there's no girl in the building. But still, okay, no problem. He said like that. So cute, diba? Yun lang po.